Hi loves, welcome back to another video. In today's video, as you see in the title, I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment on my hair. Okay, so as you can see, I have a pot of boiling water right there, and I'm going to be placing a measuring cup right in the boiling water. Please be careful if you're doing this method, guys, but please note that hot oil treatment is wonderful for your hair. So the oils I'm using, I'm showing you there, is the avocado oil, the coconut oil, and also the black castor oil. Those are the three oils in which I'm going to be using. Okay love, so although this video is a short one, I want it to be very impactful for you loves. Okay, so let's get straight into it. What are the benefits of a hot oil treatment? Okay, so we might ask, what are the benefits? So let's get into it. Okay, so it increases hair strength, reduces dryness of both the scalp and hair. It helps with dandruff relief, reduces frizz, split ends, and also increase blood flow in the scalp, which may help to promote healthier hair. Okay, but how often do you use hot oil treatment on your hair? Well, the question is, are you relaxed or are you natural? Well, as you can see, I'm relaxed, right? But guys, it does not matter. You could use a hot oil treatment every week or every 2 weeks. It doesn't matter on the type of hair that you have. Okay, it's all about preference. Okay, so because a hot oil treatment will help deposit oil back into your hair and prevent dryness that can contribute to breakage. Okay, so adding a DIY hot oil treatment to your weekly routine can also help to repair your damaged hair. Okay, but if you're relaxed and you're wondering, but Mskimmyk, which one of these oils are good for my relaxed hair? Well, here they are. Coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil. Right? They work great for your relaxed hair, as well as protein-free oils such as argan oil, shea oil, babaso oil, and the list goes on. Okay, so remember, we need these oils because the relaxer chemicals remove the hair protective layers to break down the curls, and this leaves your hair exposed and prone to dryness and breakage. Okay, so we want to make sure that we incorporate those oils in our hot oil treatment routine. Okay, I don't know why I keep tending to say hot oil. But just remember some of those oils so you could incorporate it in your routine. Okay guys. Okay loves, this is only a friendly reminder. If you have reached this far in the video and you are not yet subscribed to the Mskimmyk family, don't hesitate. Why wait? Hit the subscribe button down below so you could be a part of the Mskimmyk family. It's nothing but love and support over here. Okay, and don't forget to hit the like button if you're loving the video, and also drop a comment down below. And also remember, sharing is caring, so tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend about the Mskimmyk family. Okay. Okay, love, so as you can see, this is a messy process. Okay, this hot oil treatment, you can see it's running down my hands, and everything is dripping on my shirt. So just make sure to use a put on a shirt that you don't really care about, that you're gonna just throw in the wash or throw in the garbage. Okay, so yes, this is going to be a messy process. You could use a spray bottle or a application bottle as well. Okay. Okay, next question. Does hot oil treatment make your hair grow? Of course it does. Hot oil treatments not only encourages healthy hair by increasing blood flow to the scalp, but it also helps with hair loss and breakage, because healthy hair equals longer hair. So if you're trying to grow out your hair, it's definitely not a bad idea to invest or do a DIY hot oil treatment to deeply hydrate your scalp and your hair. So, although hot oil is great for your hair, you might ask, is there anything you shouldn't do with a hot oil treatment? Well, first off, you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the temperature of the oil. Please, let me repeat. Please make sure to pay attention to the temperature of the oil. Please don't spray that hot oil from either the microwave if you put in it, or what you saw me doing earlier, and put it straight on your scalp. Make the oil cool down first, and then you can apply it on the palm of your hand or the back of your hand, just to make sure that the temperature is good. Okay, because you do not want to scald your scalp. Okay. Okay, love, so we're coming down to the end of this tutorial, guys. I hope that you guys will incorporate this hot oil treatment in your healthy hair routine, okay, in your hair journey. Yes, and I hope I explained as much as I can the benefits of incorporating a hot oil treatment in your hair routine. Okay, so after finish applying the hot oil treatment, I'm going to put on a steam cap, and I'm gonna let that hot oil stay on my hair for 1 hour without going under a hooded dryer. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it stay on and let it do its thing, and then you're gonna see the results after. Okay, but just in case, loves, if I missed any further tips for you guys, or if you have any further questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them in the comment section down below, okay? And of course I'm going to show you the results right after. All right, so just stick around for that. And yes guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video, and of course I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.